You ever have those weird road trips when you're just not sure what's going on? You're kind of in a time warp at times. Hi, this is the Sherpa. I'm traveling with Bills. It's a great adventure. We have some great sponsors, EV Speakers, the Creative Experience.
The creative experience, the entertainment experience.
See what I mean? It's like I'm in a time warp. If he would just listen to me sometimes, I give him some great feedback, some great advice to make him look like a rock star. He was here, I brought him up to this new level. But he doesn't acknowledge me.
Wait a minute, that's not true.
Last night, here we are. You know, I was sweating. I was working my ass off.
Oh my gosh.
And you know what? I'm going to take off my tie. Just because I was sweating. And I was starting to chafe. Look at it. I was chafing. So I took it off. So he comes back to me and says, I'm your boss. I said, well, I called my wife and she said it was okay. And so that's what I'm looking at. And it shut him down right there.
It did not shut me down. I did. Wait a minute.
Wait.
So you're an assistant. Tell him why it's good to have an assistant.
It's good to have an assistant. It's to keep him humble. Without me, his head would get so big. I got to keep him grounded. I know it's difficult at times when you work with this legend.
Oh my Lord!
Within this industry.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you.
Well, Bill, that's why we're friends. We can talk open and candid, and we can just go back and forth.
All right, sign off.
All right, this is creative licensing. I'm signing off.
No, it's not creative licensing.
That's what you just said.
Creative licensing.
Creative license.
Do you watch the show? You know I have a show.
Between you and I, I've never seen it. Don't tell him that. This is Kirk.